Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to dispute your Chime transaction. Disputing a transaction can be a straightforward process if you follow the correct steps. First, you need to identify the transaction you want to dispute. Log into your Chime account and review your transaction history to locate the transaction in question. Make sure to note the date, amount, and description of the transaction. Next, gather any relevant documentation or evidence to support your dispute. This can include receipts, invoices, or any other proof of purchase. Having this information readily available will help you build a strong case for your dispute. Now, contact Chime customer support to initiate the dispute process. You can reach them through the Chime mobile app, by phone, or by email. When you speak with a representative, clearly explain the issue with the transaction and provide the documentation you have gathered. Chime will then investigate the dispute and may request additional information from you. Be sure to respond promptly to any requests to ensure the dispute is processed in a timely manner. It is essential to understand that Chime has a specific timeframe for disputing transactions. Typically within 60 days of the transaction date. Make sure to file your dispute within this timeframe to avoid any potential issues. In some cases, Chime may require you to complete a dispute form, which will be provided to you by the customer support representative. Fill out the form accurately and thoroughly, and return it to Chime as instructed. Once the dispute is submitted, Chime will review the case and make a decision. This process can take several days to several weeks, depending on the complexity of the dispute. If the dispute is resolved in your favor, the transaction will be reversed, and the funds will be returned to your account. To avoid similar issues in the future, make sure to regularly review your transaction history and set up transaction alerts to notify you of any suspicious activity. By being proactive and monitoring your account, you can help prevent unauthorized transactions and protect your financial information. By following these steps and providing the necessary documentation, you can successfully dispute your Chime transaction and resolve any issues with your account. Remember to stay calm and patient throughout the process. And do not hesitate to reach out to Chime customer support if you have any questions or concerns.